Hey guys, well, I'm still working on my wind issue, and I ordered me a skinny micro muff, and I'm going to be putting that on my GX7, and we're going to see if I stop driving you guys nuts with all my wind noise in my videos. Right now I'm using my little homemade wind muff, which is just a little piece of stuff I got with Velcro, and I had this stuck on there, so it's not working very well. I still have my wind-blown biker hair going on, and so we're gonna see if this isn't going to do a better job. Well, I hope it's gonna work out, because I just cannot edit out wind noise. And I like the little sticker I got. I love my muff. That's awesome. Comes with a couple little extra Velcro things to put on my camera. And I don't know, just a little fur glued onto a Velcro, but maybe it's the rabbit fur that may do a better job than what I've been doing. Here's another attempt I had at fixing my wind noise. A microphone foam put onto the camera. Really not doing much different than the micro fuzz furs and everything else I've been trying. Anybody else know a better way? Please let me know. Alright, here we are again today, testing out the micro muff. And I'm sure you're going to get wind noise today, because it's about 10-mile-an-hour wind for Good Friday. And wifey made it out on the trail with me today for the first time this year, which is awesome. Also testing out the noise in the microphone under my shirt. Woo, it's way more than 10 miles an hour. That's at least 15. You got your gloves on?
Thank you, good Lord, I have my gloves on. My face is freezing.
Better pedal harder and faster, warm up. Oh, it's cold. 50 degrees with supposedly 10-mile-an-hour wind. You gonna make it?
Oh no, you want me to go a far way.
It's only a couple miles.
Whatever.
Hi. First time up a hill on her springtime legs. Get out of the way! Come on! Go! 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 Push hard! See, you made it! Sometimes I gotta push her up, so I was back here ready to go. Alright, well, it's a good day to test out my new trusty micro muff. And if you can see that on the other camera, it's not much in my other muff. A little thicker maybe. Well, it's windy enough out here to do a good test. I'm trying to stop here, so, and of course the wind stopped blowing, so I'll move a little bit. And there's some wind. Got it from the UK, and did some checking out on YouTube. One of the guys did a really great job. I kind of wonder if he didn't do some editing on his wind while he was advertising this muff, because I did some blowing on it. It wasn't working very good. So even if there is just a little bit of improvement on the sound, which I'm hoping for, if not, I'm just gonna have to keep on trying. So you guys are gonna have to stick in there and suffer my inexperience at both getting rid of wind, which I did go to the store and I found out that there's nothing to do except block it. Kind of hard to block it out here. Hi. Yeah, they are.
Cookies!
Yeah, I get sidetracked, so if you come up from behind me, you may run into me.
Yeah, I think I'll go fast.
That'd be a good idea. I get sidetracked very easily. I seen a duck. I had to take a picture of the duck. Hey. Now for the fun part. Always sucks to get to go up the hill, but you always got to remember there's a downside to going up a hill. The downside. Same thing as plowing into the wind all the way. Now we get to let it get back behind us and just push us back. Smooth sailing. She's already gone. She's leaving me behind. Going for a ride. A lot nicer on the way back.
Did you hit the button to go?
Record?
I love you.